Take a ride in the 2019 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, steel wheels, LED headlights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.